Hi guys! Today we're going to look at how to fix a common issue when using Visual Studio with Unity. Occasionally you might find yourself in this situation where Visual Studio doesn't recognise any of the Unity libraries and there's no access to Intellisense. Fortunately, in most cases there's a simple fix for this. The first thing to do is check that the Unity tools are installed. We'll open the Visual Studio installer. Then we'll click on Modify. We'll scroll down and check that Game Development with Unity is ticked. If it isn't, tick the checkbox and then click Modify. Now that the tools are definitely installed, we'll switch to Unity. We'll select Edit Preferences from the main menu. Then we'll select External Tools. In here, we need to check that Visual Studio is selected as the external script editor. Then we'll click Regenerate Project Files. Hopefully this should have fixed the issue. Let's go back to the script to check. Now Visual Studio is much happier and we have access to the Unity Intellisense again. Okay, that covers everything for this video. Hope you found it useful. A big thank you to all our patrons, we really appreciate you helping to support the channel. If you'd like to help and also get access to the source code, you can find details in the description. Please leave any questions or feedback in the comments and subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks guys!